Welcome to the world of innovation, power, and precision. Introducing the MeLe Design Firm ATX 30 Rally Spec battery mount, setting a new standard for performance and style. Crafted from locally sourced 5052 aluminum, each box is laser cut, machine formed, and hand TIG welded to protect your performance battery. With a convenient pull-style locking pin, your battery stays ready for action. In the event you need to service or change out your battery, it can be accomplished in a matter of minutes. Simply pull the pin and lift the latch to access your battery. Incorporating a distinctive dual-staked design, the hinge on our mount is custom engineered to withstand the test of time, ensuring complete battery access without compromise. And we've left nothing to chance when it comes to protection. Our mount features soft, high-temp foam that lines the upper perimeter as well as on the top of the latch. The bottom of the mount has a 50A durometer hard foam, guaranteeing ultimate security for your battery. Our mount isn't just tough, it's stylish too. With a sleek powder-coated finish, it's built to withstand the harshest conditions while looking incredible. But wait, there's more. An integrated mounting plate on the bottom allows you to place your battery mount almost anywhere in your vehicle, and it ensures your battery stays secure even during the most intense use cases. And we have not stopped there. The top latch on this model even includes a quick access window to utilize the restart feature or check on the status of your battery. Your peace of mind is our commitment. Join the future of automotive power solutions with MeLe Design Firm. MeLe Design Firm, rally-tested battery mounts built to perform.